Hi friends, I wanted to walk you through a quick intuitive yoga flow. And if you didn't know already, I am a certified yoga teacher and I am feeling a little blah, a little heavy today. And I wanted to take you through what I do for a quick 10-minute stretch that really brings a lot of peace. It's a lot of side opening stretches. It helps with anxiety. It helps with quieting the mind and getting into your heart. So join me for this quick and relaxing yoga session right now. All right, friends, we are gonna meet on our mats. You don't even have to have a mat, but we are gonna meet sitting in seated position with our hands on our knees. And we're gonna take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, and see where we're at right now. Where do we feel in our bodies at the moment? And we're gonna block all outside noise out. And we're going to inhale our arms up. And exhale to our forehead, down in front of our mouth and into our heart. And we're going to think about an intention for this quick practice today. What do you need right now to get through the rest of your day? Is that clarity? Is it peace? Is it heart-centeredness? Keep that intention in your mind as we go through this. All right, inhaling up again. Exhaling, hands down. Inhaling up. And we're gonna put the right hand down and start with our first side body stretch. Left hand is up and we're reaching over. I'm gonna take a few deep breaths here. Get intuitive with it. I like to cartwheel my arm around. And we'll bring that left arm down. And we'll inhale the arms up again. Exhaling the left arm down, right hand goes up and over. Now we're moving with our inhales in the expansion. And we're exhaling out through our nose again. Down. Inhaling the arms back up. And exhaling. We are going to walk our hands out in front of us. And we are going to try and keep a flat back as much as possible. And once we get as far as we can get, then we melt down and curve.
And you're going to reach down as far as you can. Couple deep breaths here. And walking our hands back up.
Now, roll out your shoulders. Roll out your neck. Feel where you're at. I've got a lot of tightness in my neck right now. Crack. Rolling it all out. Remember to be intuitive with your own body, what you need. And we're going to continue with our side stretches. So I am going to bring my right foot out, left foot in. And we're going to inhale up And we're going to face towards our right foot, flat back, and exhale down towards our right foot. Trying to keep that flat back still, reach as far as you can, and then we'll curve. Breathing in here. And then wherever you're at, we're going to keep our right hand down wherever it is, and we'll inhale that left hand up, cartwheeling it back, and we're looking out over our left shoulder and out. Inhaling, we'll bring it back down, and we'll do it again. Inhale, exhale, bring it back. Do this one more time. Exhale. Always inhaling with the expansion. Listen for the change here. Put your left hand down. Inhale, right hand up, lifting our hips up, and we're reaching back. This is the side body stretch I love, and I like to cartwheel my arm around here. Feel what you need. 2 more breaths. Pushing our hips out. And we exhale, coming down, back to our feet. Left hand comes up, back to our right foot. And coming back to center here. Deep breath at center. And we're going to switch sides. So bringing the right foot in, left foot out. Going to inhale our arms up. Facing the left foot, exhaling, fold, 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 straight back, straight back, straight back, and release. Hands fall wherever they can. It's not a competition. I like to shift side to side here. Just melting into that left leg. Now we're going to inhale, leaving our left arm on the left leg. Right hand goes up, cartwheeling out, over. We're looking over that right shoulder here. Straight back. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Same thing on this side. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Listen for the change. Inhaling up. Right hand is placed on the ground. Left hand is cartwheeled up, and we're pressing our hips up into the air. So left arm can be reaching out and over your head for this intense side body stretch, or you can cartwheel it like I am, down, up. Whatever feels best for you. This is one of my favorite stretches because it helps with all anxiety, all the stress we keep in our bodies, in our side bodies. Just melts away when we breathe light and air into it. All right, coming back down. Left arm, left foot. Right arm comes back. Ooh, I'm tight right there. Oh, and release. Flat back, straight. Let's bring our feet into butterfly pose with our heels together, knees apart. You see what feels best for you. If your hips are tight, then maybe push your feet out further. You want to make sure your knees are closer to the ground versus up here and they're up high like this. That is not what we're going for here. So bring them out as far as you can, whatever's needed. And flat back here, we are going to reach our arms up and fall forward, flat back, flat back, flat back, and bring your hands down wherever they fall, and you can curve and bring your head down.
Oh, take a couple of breaths here.
And coming back up, walking the hands back up, bringing the feet back to where we started. And let's take an inhale, bringing our hands up, and let's see the difference. Bring your hands to your heart. Think about that intention you set in the beginning. Think about how much love you just gave yourself and how much closer you are to that intention because of the 5 to 10 minutes we just did right now. I am so proud of you. You are whole, you are enough, you are light, you are love, and you are a blessing to this world. I love you guys so much. You can end in Shavasana to seal this practice. I'll see you next time.